Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into how you can enhance your WooCommerce gift card emails by attaching a PDF version of the gift card itself. If you're using the WebToffee WooCommerce gift cards plugin, here's what the gift card email looks like for the recipient. Pretty neat, right? It includes cover images and a message from the sender. But we can make it even better by adding a PDF version to the email. Adding a PDF not only adds a professional touch but also ensures recipients have a tangible copy they can print or save. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards plugin installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Gift Cards section and click on General Settings, then proceed to Email Settings. To enable PDF attachments, you'll need to install the free mPDF add-on from WebToffee. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Follow the link provided in the plugin to download the mPDF add-on. Install and activate the add-on as you would with any WordPress plugin. Once mPDF is activated, return to the gift card settings. Now, enable the Attach Gift Card as PDF option. Save your changes to apply the settings. And that's it. You are all set. By attaching gift cards as PDFs, you offer recipients a convenient way to access and use their gift cards digitally or in print. This enhances customer satisfaction and usability. This is just one of the many features offered by the Gift Cards plugin. Be sure to explore all the other capabilities it provides. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.